Hello dear friends, I am Sanjay Patil, English Subject Assistant at Panvel. Today I am giving you a little demo about tag meeting, how to conduct a tag meeting. I know that there are many new tag coordinators are appointed nowadays, and so they are a little bit confused about how to conduct the tag meeting. So let's see that how to conduct a tag meeting with your tag teacher. So dear guys, actually you know that online and offline there are two modes of conducting tag meetings. To see the pandemic situation of COVID-19, little bit step by step it's now over. So mostly the tag coordinators started to take their tag meeting face to face. But in this video, we will listen about online as well as offline tag meeting. Face to face tag meeting structure. Actually, here I would like to tell you the structure of face to face tag meeting. You know that there are three more important sessions, that is the language development, after that learning by reading, and learning by watching. So you are little bit confused that how to choose the content in all session. So let's see, here they mention that so review application planning points from your last tag meetings, then select one topic from each following section. So in your book already they have given index for language development, learning by reading, and learning by watching. In every section there are many content they have given, but you have to choose one topic for your tag meeting. Means if you choose language development topic, then you have to choose learning by reading topic and learning by watching for that video. So it is a graded topic, so you have to take proper precaution while choosing the topic. So language development, you will get 30 minutes time. Then learning by reading, there are 30 minutes for that topic, and learning by watching, you will get 30 minutes. In this session, reflection and action planning, the after completing three sessions, all tag members reflect what they learned today, and actually they will make a action plan that how they will implement all the activities in their classroom. So reflection and action planning is also important. They are going to make action plan that is very essential. They will reflect on, fill in the action planning section with ideas you will try in the classroom and you will do for your own language development. And you know that the structure of tag meeting, the main intention of conducting the tag meeting, that we are going to create a conducive atmosphere of English language, and for that you have give more opportunity to your learners, means tag teachers, to present themselves. In that they will share their ideas, whatever they want to share, means that is related to tag meeting. Actually what they understand from the tag meeting, they will implement that in their classroom, and in next tag they will share their ideas about it. Next, online tag meeting process. Here they have given the online tag meeting process, that's approximately time they have given, that 10 minutes for review and of action planning. Teachers share their action planning report with the group. Then 30 minutes language development. In that, teacher practice the language development worksheet and let's practice section. Try this with your learners and reflection can be given as an assessment. Whatever the content in language development, you have to take as per the content. The next topic is learning by reading, that is 20-minute session. Teacher discuss about main point, glossary, after reading question and group discussion questions. Takeaway points can be given as an assignment. Same, we will see later how to conduct each session. And next is 20 minutes learning by watching. Teacher discuss about techniques learned using in class and classroom in English. And last is WhatsApp group, that is writing, reflection and action planning. Teachers complete the reflection and action planning section in Word document shared by the tag coordinator in WhatsApp group. Actually, already I told you that this is an online and offline mode tag meeting structure. So in review of action planning, you have to give 10 minutes for action plan report. In that they have given some points. You have to every tech teachers will write something that is related to point. What did you try out in your lesson this month? Means whatever they have learned in previous tag meeting, they will implement it that in their classroom, and they will write whatever they have learned, what worked well, why. In that they will mention that what work well, if suppose they have conducted any activities, and if the activities work well, they will mention that and they will give the reason why it worked well. And actually related to that activities, next question is related to that, what didn't work well, why. If it's not properly the learners given responses, then why it's happened, they have to mention. Next is where there are any challenge or difficulties, why. While they are conducting the activities, if suppose they are facing any challenge related to any topics, they will mention here, and why it's happened, why the obstacle are occur, they will mention. Next, what will you do differently next time? If suppose something happens bad from your side, then how to overcome on that challenge or obstacles, you have to write down here how you will differently conduct this activity. Next, what can you share with others in your tag meeting? Lesson plan picture or examples or learners work, videos, etc. And this is an action plan. This month I share my ideas with other teachers on whatever the Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever they have to tick here, or whatever they have shared, they have to mention here. Now we are going to see the first session, that is language development. Already the content has given in your book. Now actually your tag has started here. In the first session, you have to give as per the content to your tag teachers to discuss on that point, or you may take opinion of your tag teachers that what is going on here. So here they have given the pictures. You will tell to your tag teachers to read the greetings. Actually here they have given read greetings, and how we will use these greetings as a situation based they have mentioned. So use pool language, English language, they have given that good morning, afternoon, evening, excuse me, could you help me, these are the polite requests they have given here. So as per the content you have to conduct this session, that you will tell your tag teachers to read the questions and discuss the points, and then find out the answers, and they will share their answers with all teachers. So in this way you will take the practice of language, a new language that is introduced for themselves. So in this way you have to conduct this session for 30 minutes. After that there is next session, that is learning by reading. In this session actually they have provided some content. Now what you have to do, from your whole group, that is tag teachers, you already you have to make groups of your tag members. I think that as per the strength of your tag members, you have to make their groups like 1, 2, 3, 4, and give this content, divided this content to each group, and give them time to discuss on it. Suppose if there are three groups, then distribute these points in that group, and give them 5 minutes or 10 minutes time to discuss in their groups, and tell them that you have to write down some notes on that topics, that what they understand, or there are some chunk points that they will find out and they will write down. After that After that, you have to take presentation of their each group. There is one group leader who will present what they understand from that content we have given to them. But before giving them reading this text, uh, think about your learners, or you may ask that related questions to your learners, that have you ever tried a role play or drama activities with your learners, or what support do you think your learners need to do role play activities when they will little bit familiar with this content that we are going to give them for discussion. So contextually they will reach to that content. So in this way you will distribute the content in group, and after completing their tasks you will take the presentation of each group. Whatever the queries comes in their mind, you will discuss on that queries. So in this way this topic, or this session will complete. After that, after reading, you may ask some questions or some points to all the tag members. Here are some points or questions they have given for a group discussion, that what did you like about the articles. So you will tell the questions to them, that while they are discussing about the topic in their group, so they will be on a right track, that in which way they have to discuss. So is there anything in the article you don't agree with, what, why? Next is, have you used any of the ideas from the article in your own lessons? Tell your peers how could you use the ideas from the articles in your own lessons. Next, how will you use them? So in this way they will discuss related to this point, and in this way you have to conclude your sessions with the bullet points. And if the group this after the discussion, if there are any group members ask any queries or doubt about it, so other members also give the answers, or tag coordinator or a facilitator will fulfill their ambition, what or whatever the expectation he will fulfill. So let's move to the next session, that is learning by watching. While you are sharing that video to them to watch, take one precaution, that I think that already you made a WhatsApp group of your tag members. So whatever the content you choose for the tag meeting, before 1 or 2 days, share that videos on their WhatsApp group. So they will see that video and they will think about little bit about video. So it will helpful to all tag coordinators while actually conducting the third session, that is learning by watching. So before watching the video, you may ask them one question, that how do you practice writing words with your learner? So the video is related to writing session. So while they are watching the video, there are some points in their mind, that how I observe the video. So in this way you have to share the video, then they will see the video. After watching the video, you ask them some questions related to or based on that videos, that if they have need of watching the video once again, then you will share that video, or let them opportunity to watch the video once again. After that you ask the question, that watch the clip again, then why does the teacher use Marathi? Based on that video, the teacher used Marathi and English language. So why he used that Marathi language? So take some elicit some points from your tag members, that why that teacher used Marathi language. uh, Next is that, could you use this activity with other words in your textbooks? Give example of. So here they have given some examples, and also ask that, we know that all the tech teachers are not particularly teaching to one of the particular standard. So there's they are teaching to their learners. The learners age is already different, their ability is different. So as per the age and the ability of the learners, they have to adapt this activity. So after every session, you have to ask the question to all the tag members that how you will adapt the activity. So here they will give some new activities or adapt activities, and it will be beneficial to all the remaining tech teachers that they will conduct in this way. So this is a third session that you are going to conduct, but take precaution that while conducting every session, you have to take one warm-up activity for creating an atmosphere of English language. And one, I would like to request all tag members that please give more opportunity to your tag members to speak English. So while you are conducting a first tag meeting, at that time you know the that tag members how they are. So as per the audience or as per the tag members, you have to use your English language. Means step by step, you will overcome on that whatever the obstacles you are facing, and you will use 100% English in your talking, and your tag teachers also ready to speak English in tag meeting. So after that, there is one session that is reflection and action planning. Here, after finishing your tag meeting, they have to write their reflection. What did we do today? Whatever they learned in tag meeting, they have to mention their bullet points in this session. And my reflection, what did you enjoy in today's tag meeting? Why? They have to write down here. What ideas and activities can you use in your own lesson? Will you have to change the activities for your learners? How will you do this? This is a question related to the adaptation. As per the age of the learners or the ability of the learners or standard of the learners, every tag member should adapt this activity in different way. And next there is important, that is action planning. What ideas, activities, and teaching techniques will you try in your lesson this month? So here they are making a plan that whatever they learned, how they will implement in their classroom. So approximately they are planning, and after this tag meeting, they are going to means conduct this activity in their own classroom. So write what you will do and when you will do it below. So here the plan the tag members are making, that how they will conduct this activity, when they will conduct this activity, and if there are some changes they are doing. Remember to try out new teaching ideas in your lessons 3 or 4 times over the next one. So here are some points there, what I will do, when I will do, tick when completed. So approximately time or date they have to mention. And so here we completing our reflection and action planning. Now you are, I think that you are a little bit familiar with this tag meeting structure. So I wish that my all tag members, new and old tag members, will conduct the tag meeting very well in their cluster. So once again, thank to all and wish you all the best for your tag meeting.